Today, I will show you my method for successfully passing the Apex Trader Funding Evaluation process. Apex offers the easiest, lowest cost, and highest contract plans with minimal rules, empowering traders to advance to a performance account and start earning. Unlike other funding providers, Apex does not impose restrictions on trading during holidays, news events, or burdensome regulations. They encourage you to trade at any time you wish, for 23 hours a day, from 6 p.m. one day to closing all positions and orders by 4:59 p.m. ET the next day. Apex does not impose daily drawdown rules or plans that limit scaling opportunities. Their plans allow us to trade at maximum contract sizes without penalizing traders for exceeding their allocated contracts. This level of flexibility enables us to trade according to our own preferences and strategies. That's why passing the Apex Trader Funding Evaluation process is easy and leads to quick payment. I opened 5 evaluation accounts, each with $50,000. The initial balance for each account is $50,000. The evaluation goal is to achieve a profit of $3,000, which means the account balance needs to reach $53,000. We have 1 month to achieve this target. The trailing threshold is set at $2,500, which means that the account balance cannot drop more than $2,500 from its peak level. The first trade I took was a failed breakout from a trading range. After a short-term trend break and a new low, there was a beautiful candlestick pattern that signaled a long scalp position. It also coincided with a new low from a previous major downtrend. The second setup was a lower high from a false breakout of a trading range. It was a clear and simple setup. The next trade was a second entry in a long position to continue the upward trend, which was a successful breakout from a trading range. It was a trade straight into the EM at 21, but I believe the minimal risk was worth it. That concluded the first day of evaluation for me. On the second day, I took a false breakout from a trading range. It happened during the overnight session, and price action rules don't always work then. But I love these setups, so I decided to take a risk. The second setup was a lower high from the second unsuccessful entry in a long position. When the price almost reached my target, I moved my stop loss to break even. That turned out to be a mistake. In this trade, I thought I had outsmarted the market. In my mind, it was a higher low from a false breakout. However, the market quickly proved me wrong. This setup was fantastic. It was a lower high from a second entry in a short position. Perfect resistance from the EMA 21 and trend line. It continued the previous strong downward move. It was another false breakout from a trading range. A quick and simple setup. I played it as a breakout from a trading range. However, the signal bar was weak, and it was an inside bar. I shouldn't have taken it. Right after that, there was a proper breakout from the trading range. A great setup. The second unsuccessful entry long within the trading range, after reaching a new extreme. The third day was decisive. The first setup was a second long. However, there wasn't much room for a new high, so I decided to exit that trade. Another setup that belongs to my favorites, a false breakout from a trading range. Moreover, it's a trap for second unsuccessful long positions in a strong uptrend. I was just a little over $100 away from passing the evaluation. So, the last trade was a 5-tick trade with 2 contracts. A great setup, a false breakout from the trading range. Thus, I concluded the evaluation with my favorite setup. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel like it, please leave a comment. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.